MBA crash course on supply chain analytics and optimization. Introduction. Supply chain analytics and optimization play a crucial role in improving the efficiency and effectiveness of supply chain operations. It involves using data analytics, mathematical modeling, and optimization techniques to enhance decision-making, streamline processes, and achieve cost savings. This field is essential for businesses to gain a competitive advantage in today's complex and dynamic marketplace. Importance of supply chain analytics and optimization. Supply chains are intricate networks involving suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, retailers, and customers. Analyzing and optimizing these networks can lead to significant benefits such as cost reduction, improved customer service, enhanced operational efficiency, and increased profitability. By leveraging data-driven insights and optimization models, organizations can make informed decisions to optimize inventory levels, transportation routes, production schedules, and more. Examples and stories. Demand forecasting. A company utilizes historical sales data and predictive analytics to forecast demand accurately. This helps in optimizing inventory levels, minimizing stockouts, and reducing carrying costs. Route optimization. A logistics company implements optimization algorithms to determine the most efficient routes for their delivery vehicles. This reduces fuel consumption, travel time, and transportation costs while ensuring timely deliveries. Supplier selection. A manufacturing company applies analytics to assess the performance of potential suppliers based on factors such as quality, reliability, and cost. This enables them to make informed decisions and establish strong partnerships with the right suppliers. Production planning. A food processing company optimizes its production planning process by considering factors such as demand variability, raw material availability, and production capacity. This helps in minimizing production costs, reducing wastage, and meeting customer demand efficiently. Top 12 supply chain analytics and optimization techniques. 1. Demand forecasting and planning. 2. Inventory optimization. 3. Transportation network optimization. 4. Warehouse and distribution center optimization. 5. Supplier relationship management. 6. Sales and operations planning, S&OP. 7. Lean Six Sigma. 8. Risk management and resilience. 9. Agile supply chain management. 10. Value stream mapping. 11. Simulation and scenario analysis. 12. Performance measurement and KPIs. Summary. Supply chain analytics and optimization are critical disciplines for businesses to achieve operational excellence and competitive advantage. By leveraging data analytics, mathematical modeling, and optimization techniques, organizations can make data-driven decisions to improve their supply chain efficiency, reduce costs, enhance customer satisfaction, and drive overall business success. With the increasing availability of data and advancements in analytics technologies, the importance of supply chain analytics and optimization will continue to grow in the future. In the realm of supply chains, we delve where analytics and optimization dwell. A dance of data and strategic minds. To streamline operations and seek what binds. Supply chain analytics, a powerful tool. Unveils insights, breaking through the rule. With data as our guide, we analyze and explore. Seeking efficiencies, costs to restore. We forecast demands with precision and might. Using historical patterns to shed clear light. Inventory optimization, a quest so grand. To minimize waste and meet demands. Transportation networks, routes to design. Efficiency and savings, our ultimate sign. Warehouse optimization, a space so vast. Ensuring products flow, from first to last. Suppliers, our partners in the chain. Selecting wisely, reducing any strain. Sales and operations planning, a harmonious blend. Aligning resources, goals to transcend. Lean Six Sigma, a methodology strong. Eliminating waste, driving innovation along. Risk management, resilience in the face. Preparing for challenges, with poise and grace. Agile supply chains, nimble and quick. Adapting swiftly to changes, a vital pick. Value stream mapping, revealing the way. To streamline processes and improve day by day. Simulation and scenario analysis in our sight. Testing strategies before we take flight. Performance measurement, metrics we employ. To gauge success, and continuously deploy. Supply chain analytics and optimization's might. Guiding businesses through challenges, shining bright. A world of possibilities, where efficiency thrives. In this interconnected web, our success derives. Though a poem can only capture a glimpse. of the vast realm of supply chains, in a single instance. May these words inspire and ignite a passion for optimization, shining bright. As for a song, it requires a melody and composition, which is beyond the capabilities of this text-based platform. However, I hope the poem brings a touch of creativity and enthusiasm to the world of supply chain analytics and optimization. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.